Hello everyone. Last class we finished coding how our aeroplane shoots blades. Okay. But when the blades hit enemy planes, neither the planes and the enemy planes don't disappear. Okay, right? We can see the effect. Okay, we can see the hero plan can fire the blades, but when the blades hit the enemy plan, the enemy plan don't disappeared, and the bullets don't disappear. Okay, today let's implement this effect. Now let's will set the ruler when the bullets hit the aeroplane. The aeroplane disappeared and the bullets disappeared. Okay. Okay. If we want to implement this effect, we mainly use the collision. Okay. Okay. The first, let's select the enemy plan. And we can set the when I started as a clone, and then fire repeat, and if then when the enemy plan touching the bullets, okay, when touching the bullets, we can delete this clone. Okay, we can see the result. Okay, we can see when the enemy plan hit the bullets, the enemy plan disappeared. Okay. Okay, everyone can post the video and try it by yourself. Okay, the next, let's implement the bullets disappeared. Okay, we select the bullets. Okay, the logical summarize the enemy plan. Okay, when I started as a clone, fire repeat. If touching the enemy, the delete this clone. Okay, it summarizes the enemy. Okay, and then we can try it again. We can see the bullet disappeared, and sometimes the enemy plan disappeared. But there is a mistake. There is a bug. When the bullet hit the enemy plan, we can see sometimes the bullets disappeared, sometimes the enemy plan disappeared. Okay, why? What's happened? Why show like this? Okay, we can think about why the program show like this. Why? Because when enemy plan touches a bullet, we delete this clone immediately, and the the airplane don't touch the bullet. Okay. So we should set a short waiting time. This waiting time lets the bullets checked. This has hit an enemy plane. And the ruler for enemy. Okay, so when the enemy this clone before this clone, we can add a black with 0.2 or 0.1, and the please also add this black 0.1. Okay, and then we can try it again. You can see when the bullets hit the enemy, and the bullets both are disappear. Okay, yeah. Okay. About this part, we can think about the effect. Okay. And the next about this game, we can add a score and a score. So as the enemy, we can select the variable and make a variable, and we can set the variable name is the score. Okay. Okay, so the variable name is score, and score SCORE, score. Okay. Okay. Okay, we can make the variable named score, and then when the clicked the green flag, let's set the score to 0. Set the score to 0, and when the clone touching the enemy, we can set the score. We can change the score by 1. Okay, we can click the green flag and try it again. Okay, you can see when the blades hit the enemy disappeared, and the score change, and the score increase. Okay. Okay. Okay, and finally we can add some sound. Okay. We can see there have some sound. Okay, and the clone, when I started the clone, we can play the sound. Okay, play the sound. Okay, the bullet fair sound. Okay, you can see, and when the you can see when the enemy disappeared, we can play the boom sound. Okay, and finally, there we can put it together. When green flag, click the forward, play the sound, BG sound until done. Okay, we have finished everything up to this part. Thank you all for watching my video. My spoken English is not very good. I'm sorry for that. I hope you like this video and like this game. Have a good day. See you next video. Bye bye.